Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about scalping trading strategy. Let's see how this strategy works. As you know that every day morning I am posted scalping levels on my private and public Telegram channel. So this is the Bank Nifty scalping level. So I am posted these levels on my private Telegram channel every day morning before market open. Around 8 o'clock I am posting these levels. This is the Bank Nifty scalping levels. So once you get these levels, you just mark the levels on your chart. Okay, this is the today's chart. This is today's Bank Nifty scalping chart. So once you just mark the levels on the chart. And our strategy is very simple. We are not following any kind of indicator. We just follow the levels. As you see that you can see two lines. This is the upper line and lower line. So if 1 minute candle is closing above the level, we can go for buy. And here opening itself, you can see there's a buy is formed. The candle is closing above the level. And where to place target and where to place stop loss? That's another question. So once market is moved to 100 points, you can exit, or once market is touched the next scalping level, then you can exit. Here this is the 100 points, so you can exit here or just wait for the scalping point. This is the exit point. And where to place the stop loss? So many subscribers asked me this same doubt. Suppose market is we got a buy signal here. Our stop loss is whenever any candle is closing below this lower level, that is a stop loss. Here you can see there is a sell signal is formed. This because the candle touched the lower level and the red candle is formed. So there is a sell signal, but market is retained and move up and it's closing above the upper level. So this is our stop loss. So our stop loss is hit here and we are going for buy, and our target is the next level. This is the next level. Okay. Again we got a sell signal here. This is a sell signal and market is comes down. Here, see. Again you can see there is a candle is closing above the level, upper level, then we got a buy signal and the target is here, this scalping point. Here. These are the levels I given before market open. And you can see how market is respect once market is touched the scalping level, and here again we got a sell signal. It comes down. See, like that market is going. So I'm recommending opening 2 hours trade. Okay, no need to trade throughout the market. You just trade opening 2 hours, and the first trade is profit. No need to trade. You just close the trade for the day. Here you can see the first trade is profit, so you can close the trade. Okay. Sometimes market is sideways after 11:30. That's why most of the time it's morning 2 hours. Market is highly volatile and we got the profit. So this is the scalping strategy. Now I think you understand what is the scalping and how it's working, and where to place stop loss and where to take entry. First of all, whenever you get the levels, you just mark the levels on the chart. And you just watch 1 hour, whenever 1 minute candle is closing above the upper line, you can go for buy, lower level, go for sell. For option traders, if it's the candle is closing above the level, you can buy a call option. If the candle is closing below the level, you can buy a put option. And whenever market is moving 100 points or above, you can exit, or whenever market is touched in a scalping point, you can exit. Okay. And I'm also giving 50 minutes levels. So this 50 minutes levels help to know that major trends. Okay, and it's also help to avoid false signals. Suppose you got here, there's a buy signal we got here, but whenever we check the 50 minutes candlestick, maybe it's a strong resistance level, so you can avoid this buy. Okay, so whenever you do scalping, you just refer 50 minutes chart also. It's just for reference for knowing the main trends of the Bank Nifty. In this private Telegram channel, I am providing Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, and you can see here natural gas and crude oil. For this chart, we are following 50 minutes candles. The strategy is same. Whenever 50 minutes candle is closing above the level, you can go for buy, below the level, go for sell. That's it. And I'm also giving this channel for positional calls, okay? And also providing penny stock recommendation. Here you can see October 7th I'm recommending Syntex. That time it's for 0.85 rupees. Now it's cost 12.25. Same way, CityNet 1.90 paise I'm recommended. Now it's 3 rupees. So penny stocks for long time investment. Whenever the stock is doubled or tripled the value, you can exit it. And also giving stock levels every day. So if you wish to join this private Telegram channel, open account under my reference in Fires or Upstocks, or join premium membership from nicholasnilo.com. So this is the private Telegram channel. In public Telegram channel, you can access free. You just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram, then you will get this channel. It's free. In this channel also I am posting scalping level for stocks. Today I am posted Guj Gas Limited. You can see this is the Guj Gas Limited scalping levels. So whenever you get the levels, you just mark the levels on your chart. And if you don't know how this strategy is working, pinned message you can see here, you just click it. Here and I explain the scalping strategy. So 1 minute candle is closing the upper level, you can take a buy. 1 minute candle is closing below lower level, you can go for sell. In between the level, there is no trade. If the level is too narrow, then there is no trade. So let's see the performance of Guj Gas Limited today. This is the Guj Gas Limited chart. See, today 13th, market is opened here, and the candle you can see, candle is closing above the level, above this level, 13th. We can take a buy here. From here it's moved to here, around 1.62% is moving. See, again it comes down. Here it's a sell call because the candle is closing below the level, but it was a false signal. Market is again moves up and candle is closing above the level again. So exit the sell and go for buy here. See, then it's going up. Here you can see it's take a support here, then it's going up. Just check one more chart. You can check the previous scalping chart on this public Telegram channel. Just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram, you will get this channel. It's a free channel. So Hindustan Unilever I am giving you for this is the chart. See, Hindustan Unilever, this is a scalping chart I given. Let's check the performance. See, 1 minute candle is closing below the level, then it comes down. So you can check the previous chart also from here. So hope you get some idea about what is the scalping and how it's working. We are not following any kind of indicator. We just mark these levels on the chart. This is the 1 minute candles. You can also mark these levels. If you know support and resistance levels, you can also draw these levels on your chart. And whenever candle is closing, 1 minute candle is closing above the level, you can take buy. Below the level, you can go for sell. That's it. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just open account under my reference in Fires or Upstock, or join premium membership. Then I will add you to my private Telegram channel. Then you will get every day Nifty and Bank Nifty scalping chart. So it will be helpful for you. So hope you like this video. And if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.